Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to place trades on eToro. So if you also want to place trades on eToro, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.etoro.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of eToro. You can see several options over here. Make sure you're in the home interface. If you're not in the home interface, simply click on the home option that you can see at the left. Now you're in the home interface. In your home page at top, you'll be able to see a search bar. All you have to do is click on it. Now search for the crypto that you want to trade. Here I'm searching for BTC. Here several options will pop up. Click on the option BTC. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the crypto over here. You can see the option for trade. Here you'll be able to see the performance. You can also see the chart. You can also see the analysis. Also, you can see the news and financials. So if you want to purchase this, what you have to do is click on the trade option that you can see right over here. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Here you'll have to enter the amount that you want to invest. Simply click on this amount. Now you can edit it. Enter the amount of your choice. You can see the conversion over here. You can also see the order type and available USD. Here you'll be able to see the option for buy. All you have to do is click on it. Now you just bought a crypto. You'll be able to see the performance over here. Make sure to keep the check on the performance. You can also view your portfolio. Simply click on this option, view my portfolio. And here you'll be able to view your portfolio. You can also see the profit or loss over here. You can also see the portfolio value. So that is how you place trades on eToro. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.